Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to change password in TeraBox Vault, and now let's dive right in. Now to change a password in TeraBox Vault, first open up your TeraBox app on your phone as I've already opened it. And after opening a TeraBox Vault, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the personal vault option available for us. Just above the recycling bin, tap on personal vault over here and enter your password first, guys. And after entering your password, guys, you'll land on this interface of the TeraBox on personal vault. And over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Just beside the square icon, tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and when this drop down menu appears, tap on settings, and you can see the reset password button at the top of the screen. Tap on reset password, and you can see, guys, first you'll be required to enter the password of your personal vault which you're currently using. And after that, guys, you'll be able to land over here where you'll be required to enter your new phone number password. So enter your password over here and again input your password to confirm it. And with that being done, guys, your password in your TeraBox Vault will be changed. And there, guys, this is how to change password in TeraBox Vault. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.